Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Mathletics account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Mathletics account, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.mathletics.com/us and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Mathletics, which looks like this. Mathletics is a popular online math resource used by thousands of schools. It has been proven to significantly increase student engagement, confidence and motivations, as well as to improve math attainment and progress. To log into an existing account, go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to the sign in button. Select whether you are a student or a school or a parent and give it a click. Go ahead and enter your email or your username in the first text box. Make sure to enter the information associated with your account and head over to the password field and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Agree to the terms and conditions of Mathletics, and if you'd like the system to remember your credential, click on this Remember My Username/email option, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Once you enter your credential, click the Sign In button in order to log into your Mathletics account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.